20 vehicles in English. Minibus. Minibus. A small bus used to carry passengers. Example: the minibus takes students to school. Pickup truck. Pickup truck. A vehicle with an open back for carrying goods. Example: the pickup truck carries vegetables. Tow truck. Tow truck. A vehicle used to pull broken cars. Example: the tow truck moves the damaged car. Garbage truck. Garbage truck. A vehicle used to collect waste. Example: the garbage truck comes every morning. Cement mixer. Cement mixer. A truck that mixes cement. Example: the cement mixer works at the site. Road roller. Road roller. A heavy vehicle used to flatten roads. Example: the road roller smooths the road. Excavator. Excavator. A machine used for digging. Example: the excavator digs the ground. Forklift. Forklift. A vehicle used to lift heavy items. Example: the forklift lifts boxes. Tram. Tram. A vehicle that runs on tracks in cities. Example: the tram moves through the street. Monorail. Monorail. A train that runs on a single rail. Example: the monorail travels above the road. Speedboat. Speedboat. A fast boat used on water. Example: the speedboat moves quickly. Yacht. Yacht. A large boat used for travel or leisure. Example: the yacht sails on the sea. Jet ski. Jet ski. A small water vehicle ridden on water. Example: he rides a jet ski. Glider. Glider. A light aircraft without an engine. Example: the glider flies quietly. Hot air balloon. Hot air balloon. A flying vehicle lifted by hot air. Example: the hot air balloon rises slowly. Cable car. Cable car. A vehicle pulled by a cable in mountains. Example: the cable car goes up the hill. Snowmobile. Snowmobile. A vehicle used to travel on snow. Example: the snowmobile moves on ice. Tank. Tank. A heavy military vehicle. Example: the tank moves slowly. ATV. ATV. A small vehicle used off-road. Example: he rides an ATV on sand. Golf cart. Golf cart. A small vehicle used on golf courses. Example: the golf cart carries players. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more English lessons. Check out our other videos to learn more words. See you in the next lesson.